Hi guys, today I'll be showing you another amazing optimizer app for your Mac computer called Macube Cleaner. Here, this is the look of the app. This app is one of the most affordable Mac cleaner apps on the market because compared to apps like CleanMyMacX, this app is a lot cheaper while having very similar features overall. So even though the design, the look may be very plain, you can see the color they use is white. And if you take a look at CleanMyMacX, of course it might be more colorful. But like I told you earlier, the features and performance of the app are quite similar. So as you can see on this side right here, these are the features that this app provides. For example, we have smart scanning, large and old files, duplicate finder, uninstaller, privacy, and toolkit. And in toolkit here, they have features like shredder, extensions, similar image finder. So I'm going to go through each of the features and show you how it works. So we'll start with smart scanning. You can see here a very simple explanation saying clean up unneeded system and apps files. So we just click on smart scan to scan this and we can clean it up. It's very quick, just click on it and it finished scanning already. So these are the junk files that you can clean from your Mac to gain more space. So you can clean the trash here. This is what in my trash. You can clean the application cache, email attachment, system logs, user logs, iTunes backup. You can choose to select to delete some of them or just select to delete all. So in my case, I'll delete all for you. You just click on clean here and it's done. Now you gain 402 megabytes back. It is just as simple as that. Next is large and old files. So for this feature, it's similar to CleanMyMacX. We use it to remove any large or old files that we don't need anymore to gain free space back. So we just click on scan here. As you can see, it shows you different categories of apps and features that have consuming your space in your Mac computer. So we have archives, pictures, movies, music, and other. You can even see it by the order of the date. You can also see it by size. So like in this situation, this file right here, install assistant.pkg, consume 11.9 gigabytes. So I want to delete that. I tick on it. You can select multiple files or select all of them by clicking on the select all button here, or just select files that you want to delete. So in my situation, I just want to delete this. So I just click on the word clean and it's done. Now I get 11.9 gigabytes back. It is very simple, very quick. The next feature is duplicate finder. As its name suggests, it helps you to search for the duplicate videos, music, images, documents, and other files on your Mac. So before you click on scan, they have the option for you to change path. Right now it's select documents, but if you think you do not want to scan the document, you can change it by clicking on change path and select the new place or folder that you want to find the duplicate. So in this situation, I would just click on downloads, click on open and click on scan. So you can see here, these are all of them that they can find. These are the duplicates. So we have the video here that it finds duplicate. So click on it. You can see that the name of the file is actually different, but the size is exactly the same. When the size is exactly the same, the app just show you here because it might be the same video but having a different name. But if you think it's not different, you can just leave it like that. You don't have to delete any of this because usually the file size cannot be exactly the same like this. When it's exactly the same, the app finds it suspicious, so it shows it right here for you to decide whether you want to delete one of them or just keep them both. And another one right here. So when you click on the back button here, you can see they say you want to leave it. Click on confirm. Now you select another path. Now in this situation, I would choose my desktop. Click on desktop, click on open, click on scan. Okay, so on my desktop, it finds that this image here has some duplicate. So if you click on it, so right now you can see it shows me 4 different files that it finds duplicate here. So the name again might be different, but the size is exactly the same again. So if you're sure that this is duplicates that you don't want, you can always delete it. This is the original file right here. So I want to delete these 3 copies here. I just select these 3, I click on clean. Now it's done. We go back to check it. You can see it just doesn't show anymore, which means now there's no more duplicates. So that is how easy it is. You can scan not just for videos, but also images, folders, media, basically any files that could be exactly the same or could be the duplicate of the other files. It will show you here for you to decide whether you want to delete or not, so that you can save space. The next feature is uninstaller. So again, the way they design is very simple. There's nothing much here. Hopefully in the next update they make it better by putting some colors onto it so that it would be more attractive. But currently it's only kind of mostly white, very plain here. So this feature allows you to completely remove unwanted applications and associated files. So any apps you want to remove completely, just come here, click on uninstaller, click on scan. It will start scanning, and now it shows all the apps currently being installed on your Mac. So they have the app name, the size of it, so you just keep scrolling. These are the apps that I have on my Mac. So I'm looking for apps that I want to delete. Let's say I don't want just to uninstall one app, I want to uninstall multiple apps. Let me choose another app right here, this one here too, and this one. So I have 4 apps that I want to remove. I click on clean, and it's done. So I get 135 megabytes back after cleaning that. You can always go back to review it. So it's gone already, the 4 apps that I selected at the moment. So you see, this app just make it very convenient. The way it does the job is very quick. Compared to CleanMyMacX, I find that this app runs each process a lot faster. Let's move on to the next feature called privacy. So basically what this feature does is that it allows you to safely clean your browsing history, cookies or HTML local storage. So any cookies or browsing history on your web browsers that you install on your Mac can be removed easily. So when you click on scan, you can see it shows me this. It asks me to close any browser that I'm running, so it can fully manage to clean all of it. But because I'm still uploading some videos onto my YouTube channel, so I cannot quit Safari, I have to leave it open. So I click on skip here, so it starts scanning. So these are what it finds from all my 3 web browsers: Safari, Firefox, and Chrome. If you have more than that, of course it will show all of them here. So it shows you like this with the name and the items that it finds in each of the web browser. So for Safari, I have 31,939 items. So any sensitive information that you type or use on each of these browsers can be removed, so that you can ensure that your sensitive information can't be leaked. So we have Firefox, Chrome as well. So let's say I want to remove the history and cookies and so on from my Firefox. So I just click on it. If you select all, you can also untick the one you don't. But in my case, it's just select all here. Click on clean, and it's done. So all these 1,242 items have been cleaned. If you go back to review it, you can see it doesn't show Firefox anymore because all the histories and cookies have been removed. You can also do the same with the other 2 browsers, but in my case I do not want to remove it. I'm still using it, so I just leave it like that. So if you share your computer with someone else, this is a quick way to remove the sensitive information from the browsers so that the next person will not know what you're browsing. The last feature is called Toolkit. So in Toolkit here, we have 3 smaller features. So the first one, we have Shredder. Next one is Extensions. And the last one is Similar Image Finder. So we'll start with Shredder. Of course, Shredder is just like a shredder machine. Whatever files or folders that you do not want to keep, you want to shred it, just remove it securely. When you shred the file, it cannot be recovered. So let's just shred some files here. Click on Shredder. Click on select files, and now you can just find the file you want to shred. Let's go to download. Let's just delete these few files here. You can select one single file or select multiple files. Let's say I want to shred these 5 files right here. I click on open, and again it will ask you one more time whether you really want to shred this, because once you have shredded them, it cannot be recovered. So again, I want to shred all of this, so I just click on select all, click on clean, and it's gone. The next feature is Extensions. What it does is that it allows you to easily manage built-in plugins, proxy services, and startup items. So click on it, click on scan, So you can see here, I do not have many extensions. Actually, I don't have any. I don't really install any of them at all. So that's why it doesn't show any of them. The one plugin that it shows is from Spotlight. But if you have a lot of plugins or extensions that is running in the background, you can manage it from here. You can see this one here. So currently it's running. You want to disable it, you click to turn it off, like so. These are like processes that running in the background. When you turn it off, it will help to optimize your Mac performance. The last feature is similar image finder. So this one is similar to duplicate finder, but for this one here you can see it say easily clean up similar but need less images to optimize your Mac. So if you click on it, click on scan, and now it shows me this. So you can see these two files here. It looks exactly the same with just a little bit different name. One is food, the other one logo, but it has exactly the same size, the same look. Again, if I do not want any of them, I just select the one that I don't need and click on clean. We go back to review, it's gone. So as you can see here that this app is really cool. Even though the design is simple, but the features it provides is very cool. It have a lot of features that are very similar to the one you can find on CleanMyMacX. So again, like I said, this app is one of the most affordable cleaner apps for your Mac. If you compare the price of this app to CleanMyMacX, you can see that you can also use the 1-month plan, which you have to pay $8.95 per month. But if you don't want to pay for monthly subscription, you can just buy a lifetime plan, which will cost you $69.95. You just only buy one time, and you can use it up to 2 Mac computers. However, if you compare that to CleanMyMacX, of course, if we talk about subscription fee, CleanMyMacX is cheaper in terms of subscription because 1 year subscription only costs $34.95. This is 12 months. But it does not provide you with the option to buy this app permanently. All you have to do is you have to subscribe to this app every year in order to continue using it. So we compare to this, even though you have to pay $69.95, but this is for perpetual purchase or permanent purchase. You only have to spend it once and you can use it forever. And you can even use it up to 2 Macs. So if you're interested in this app, all the links are in the description. You can check it out. Okay, that's it guys. This is Macube Cleaner, one of the most affordable cleaner apps for your Mac computers. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.